Saan na yung iba?
Teacher,
Yes.
it's letter B. I know it.
Letter B. Okay, let's answer later. Let's wait for others.
Ma'am, wait lang po. Nawawala ballpen ko.
Saan na yung iba? Saan na yung iba? Ashley. Saan na si Kelvin? Vince. Okay, let's answer. Let's try to solve. Okay, 7 times 0?
0.
0. Everyone listen. 7 times 6?
42.
7 times 6, FJ?
42.
42. Then we're going to write 2 here and then carry 4. 7 times 7? 7 times 7, Ashley.
49.
Ashley. Yes, Jessica.
49 po.
49 plus 4. Jessica, 49 plus 4. Open your cam. We have 53, right? And then let's write 53. And the next number, 5 times 0?
0.
0. 5 times 6, Princess? 5 times 6, Princess?
25 po.
5 times 6? Jessica?
30 po.
30. Write 0 here and then 3 sa ibabaw. And then 5 times 7?
35 po.
35 plus 3?
38.
38. And then add. Bring down 0 and 2. And then 3 plus 0, 3. And then 3 plus 8. FJ, 3 plus 8.
3 plus 8 or 5 plus 8.
3 plus 8, it's 3.
11.
11. And then carry 1. Wait lang, parang... Wait lang. Bakit 11? It's 5 pala. 5 plus 8? 5 pala yun. 5 plus 8. MJ.
13.
13. 13. And then 1 plus 4? 4. So our answer here is letter B, 43,320. Okay, again nga, FOIL stands for, what do you mean by FOIL?
First, inner,
First,
outer,
outer,
last.
inner, last.
Okay, this is the process on how you are going to multiply polynomials. Okay, an exponent is written as a small number above and to the right of a larger number called the base. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? Everyone, true or false? Exponent ba ang tawag doon? Yung maliit na number.
True po.
I think it's
The answer is true.
True.
How about this? The product of 8h plus 4h times 3h plus 2. The product. When we say product, you're going to multiply the two number. You're going to use FOIL method. Okay, try. Let's try. We
Here.
have, here na lang. I will ask question and then you're going to answer. 8h times 3h. What will be the answer? Ashley? 8h times 3h. Ashley? Yes, Cheska.
24H.
24?
H.
How about the exponent? Here, oh, we have 2h. We multiplied 2h.
24H squared.
Okay, 24h squared. And then 8h times 2. What will be the answer? FJ. 8h times 2. 8h times 2.
8h times 2,
Yeah.
16h.
16h. Oh. Sixteen H. And then next we're going to multiply. Di ba tapos na natin ang first and outer? What is the next, Frances? What is the next? Di ba? We have FOIL.
Inner.
Inner.
Inner
Okay.
po.
What is the inner here? Vince.
Yung par ba?
Ha?
Yung par.
For what?
L. For L.
For H and
3.
3H. Okay, we have 4H and 3H. 4H times 3H. What will be the answer?
12H squared.
12H squared plus 12H squared plus we have 4H times 2. What will be the answer?
8h. 8h.
8,
8h.
8H. Okay. Is this our final answer?
No.
No. What we're going to do next here, MJ?
Like terms.
Okay. What are the like terms here?
24H plus 12H squared.
We have 24H and 12H squared. What will be the answer?
26H.
No, let's ask Ashley. 24h squared plus 12h squared. What will the answer, Ashley?
36h squared.
36h squared. 36. Ano pa ang magkaparehas na terms? Vince. Ano pa ang magkaparehas na, ano dyan? Vince.
16H and 8H pa.
Okay. Anong sagot? 16H plus 8H. What will the answer? Frances. 16H plus 8H. Frances, can you hear me, Frances?
Wait lang po, isasolve ko lang po ng math.
Yes, Cheska.
18H po.
Ha?
18H squared.
18?
H squared po.
18H? Is that 18H? 16 plus 8? 16H plus 8H. Yes, MJ.
24H.
We have 24H. What is our final answer here? We have 3H squared plus 24H. Is it letter A or letter B?
B.
Letter B. Ganito lang yung mga exam nyo, ha. Ayan, no, ganito lang. You're going to choose the correct answer. Yes,
po yung
Ashley. Ha?
Face-to-face po ba yung exam?
Online yun. Okay, next. Next. Wait lang. When we say difference, ano yun? What are we going to do? Kapag difference, ang hinahanap. We're going to subtract. Okay? Kapag sum, ang hinahanap, the sum of a number, ibig sabihin, it means you're going to add. Pag the product, you're going to multiply. Kapag the difference, you're going to subtract. Sulatin nyo sa notebook. Sinusulat nyo? Sinusulat nyo? Sinusulat nyo, everyone? Sino nagsusulat? Patingin ako. Patingin. Okay. Okay, again, kapag sum ang hinahanap, you're going to add. Kapag difference, you're going to subtract. Kapag the product, you're going to multiply. Nagets? Nakuha lahat? Wait lang. Itatype ko sa chat box. Nasa chat box. Nabasa? Okay, so let's do this. the difference of 9y minus 2y subtracted by 3y minus 5y. Okay, makinig. In this, ang una nyo, our first step here is we're going to multiply this negative sign to each term here. Okay? Multiply the negative sign or this sign into each term. So negative times 3y, what will be the answer?
Why?
This one, no, negative times positive 3y, what will be the answer? Yes, MJ.
Negative 3y.
Okay, it will become negative 3y. And then negative times negative 5y. What will the answer, Ashley? Ashley. Ashley. Bilis, last 3 minutes na lang tayo. It's positive, di ba? Positive 5y. It will become positive kasi if you multiply negative to negative, it will become positive, right? If you multiply negative to positive, it will become negative, okay? Ayan, so here we're going to combine like terms. Ayan, no? Combined like terms. Alin dyan ang mga like terms? Halos silang lahat. Okay. So, let's negative 3x plus 5y. What will be the answer? Diba? Magkaiba sila ng sign. We're going to subtract. Diba? Kapag magkaibang sign, we're going to subtract. Negative 3y plus 5y. It will become positive 2y. 2y. Ayan o. 2y. Positive kasi mas malaki. Positive 5 is bigger than negative 3. Ayan na. And then, here, dito naman sa isang side na to, we have 9y minus 2y. Okay? So, 9y minus 2y, what is the answer? Yes, MJ.
Positive 7y.
Positive 7y. And then, positive 7y plus 2y. Ito, 7y from this parenthesis and then 2y.
Positive 9y.
The answer is positive 9y. Ayan na. Gano'n lang tayo magkuha ng difference ng polynomials. Nagigets nyo? Nagigets? Kung paano?
Yes po, sir.
Okay. Kapag hindi na-gets, balikan nyo lang tong video na to. Okay? Ayan no. Ta-times nyo muna tong negative sign dito sa labas doon sa term na nasa loob ng kabila. Okay? Kaya siya naging negative 3y and then positive 5y. Okay? Thank you for your listening. Good luck to you. Good luck for your exam.
Sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Ma'am,
Yes,
quick
Francis.
question lang po.
Oo.
Sa exam po, online, di ba?
Oo.
Yung ano po ba siya, like, multiple choice lang po siya, ipipili lang po yung sagot?
Oo, multiple choice lang yon. Pero isosolve nyo yun para makuha nyo yung sagot. Okay?
Okay
That's
po.
why kapag mag-exam kayo, mag-provide na kayo ng bond paper sa tabi nyo pag during math. Okay? Bye-bye.
Okay po. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.